Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to manage button in Yandex keyboard on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here you just have to go ahead to this Yandex applications, and after in this Yandex, tap on this three slice icon at the bottom. We'll find out here the keyboard options, I guess. Just tap on it. Now, if you wanna manage the button in Yandex keyboard, just go ahead in this page which is buttons options here. Tap on it and it will look like this, I guess. You can manage it by activate the number row. For example, it's activate for the lowercase letters, additional characters, and simply key animations. For example, here I'm gonna activate only for the number row and for the lowercase letters. I'm gonna tap on it like this and enable it for the toggle. Now I'm gonna go back and we can see and open for the keyboards, I guess. And as you can see, it will look like this. There are a case of the letters and also the number row. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.